Hey guys, how you all going? My name is Course Prophet and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing really well today. I've got a really great video for you guys. I'm using one of the most expensive keyboards that there is. This keyboard has a $300 price tag. It is of course the Asus ROG Falcchion keyboard. This beauty guy right here, it's an extremely low profile keyboard. Very low profile, very thin, very slender. Has a lot of functionality and I really like it. I like the Apex Pro TKL and this keyboard. I hope you enjoy this video of me using it in a game of Call of Duty. So anyway, let's get on with the video and hope you enjoy it and see how this performs in a game of Call of Duty in 2025. This keyboard sits at around $350 on eBay. Sometimes it can be a little bit more and a little bit more pricey, but that's okay because it's a good keyboard and it's worth the money. And as I was saying earlier, it is very low profile. Let me just change. It's extremely low profile. It's really compact. I like the functionality. It's got a touch bar on the top of the keyboard. It allows you to select different modes and things. It's got a lot of buttons on the back as well as a USB-C connector. You can use any USB-C cable, so if you have a custom coiled cable, you can use that with it as well, and I think it's a really great keyboard. I, of course, wouldn't ever spend more than $300 on a keyboard. I have some really expensive keyboards, but nothing over $350. I'll do a dedicated video of my keyboard collection in a future video. You know, it's really funny. We ended up being a keyboard review channel to test out different keyboards. I have so many keyboards, it's ridiculous. So I might do a keyboard giveaway at some point, or I give away one of my keyboards to you guys. I did a Fortnite giveaway on my channel, on my TikTok, but that didn't go as planned. Nobody commented, so I couldn't give away a battle pass in Fortnite purely because no one responded to it. They just watched it. It was really sad because I was really looking forward to giving away a battle pass to one of the community members over there on my TikTok, but sadly that did not go as planned. So I decided I'll just keep the video up and whoever responds I'll give the battle pass to. I did pick a winner. He was the only guy who commented, but that fell through. He didn't end up giving me his Fortnite Addy, so I couldn't give him the battle pass for the new Simpsons season. I got all the skins that I need, so I'm using the rest of my V-Bucks for the community. So how this keyboard is pretty good, and it's ultra quiet as well, kind of like the Ducky 1-2 Mini, but a way more expensive version. Ducky 1-2 Mini costs about, at the moment, $250 for a Ducky 1-2 Mini with Cherry MX, which is, I like the Ducky 1-2 Mini. I think it's a great keyboard. You can customize it with so many different keycaps. I have an Apex Pro TKL. I've got an Ola S87 Pro with really flocky sounding keycaps that are very satisfying. That cost me about $115. Then I have my cheap little Temu keyboards that also do what they're supposed to. I mean, if you don't care about performance and functionality, I guess a Temu keyboard is like just as good. And you don't really need to like bloody spend hundreds upon hundreds of dollars on keyboards. I mean, there's definitely some way more expensive keyboards out there, but the most expensive ones I have right now are the Asus ROG Falchion, which is what I'm using in this video, and the Apex Pro TKL, and the Razer Huntsman Mini and the Ducky 1-2 Mini. Those would have to be the most expensive keyboards out there, keyboard brands, and the more well-known brands. Attack Shark is also coming up on AliExpress and on Temu. They really know what they're doing with their mice. The Attack Shark has some really good mice. I've got an Attack Shark mouse, which I really like to use sometimes when I want to go wireless mode. I use the Attack Shark wireless mouse. But yeah, no, the ROG Falchion is a really good keyboard. I love it very much. I bought this keyboard like, about 3 years ago now. During COVID. I bought it. Thought I'd treat myself to a nice expensive keyboard. So I got it and I fell in love with it, and I'm just like, oh man, this keyboard is so good. It's a great keyboard. It is so good. Has a lot of different features on it, which I will go over towards the end of the game, which we are nearing right now. We are 81 to 85. Boom, easy, 3 kills. 10, triple kill. Got 14 kills from this game. So the functionality on this, if you press the button on the far left corner, this one here, you get like macros for bright. You can change the sound with the sliding bar, and you can change pause or play, and then the brightness of the backlight and profile. So and it has a Bluetooth mode and a connect over Wi-Fi mode, and you can switch between PC and Mac, which I thought was pretty nifty to click. Most modern keyboards nowadays have a button where you can switch between Microsoft Windows or a Mac, Apple Macintosh setting on the back, which I think is very good functionality. Very, very, very good. So this keyboard just has everything. It's like a really bang for your buck keyboard. You get what you pay for. I mean, I know it's like $350, but it's totally worth the investment in getting like a half decent keyboard. I really enjoy it. I think it's a good keyboard. So those are my thoughts on this keyboard. Anyway, this has been Prophet. Thank you for watching my little video. May God bless your day, and peace out.